Hello people, it's happening. So last week I took my Defender to Beartoft in Crewe, which is about 3 hours from London, to get some works done, which I've been going on about for a while. The lights, the winch, the fridge, the electrical bits. So today I'm going to pick it up and follow the journey. We are on the train, should be setting off very soon. Very excited. Okay people, it is happening. Check this out. Whoa. Yes. Check that out. Wow, I mean, it's daytime. Why have I gone? It's incredible. It looks, oh God. Oh, I love it. Let's see the back. Let's just check out the back. What's the back saying? Oh, look at that. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's check out more. Let's do more lights. So, thanks to Andy, we've got, it's wired this up here, and I can switch these off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The arrow comes on, and then if I come here, so we can go white light, up, off. And then we've got white lights, which you can't quite see properly, but trust me, they're all there. In the back as well. Now, this I think is more exciting, and Andy likes it too. Go back and go down across all 4. And we've got ourselves amber lights. This really is the main reason why I got these strand lights. Besides them being so good, it's the color combo. You can see that really well over there. I'll have to do a test at night. So that's the light. I'm very excited. I love the bulkhead ones though. Oh my God, they look so good. Okay, lights done. Let's put this back off. For now, okay, what else have we done? Do you want to talk us through what you've done? Is that okay? You want to?
Yeah, no, I'll start with the
Oh, there we go. That's okay.
a lot of help.
That's all right.
So in here we have the ARB air compressor with a remote outlet. So that's switched by the center console,
Okay.
just like the lights. So you have a little air compressor button there.
Yes.
So you hit that, connect your air hose here, and then you can just inflate all of these tires.
Okay. Awesome. This is a kit I've wanted for years, and to have such a nice, seamless install is just incredible. I love it. Okay. What do we have? Oh, there we go. Andy's gonna put this on for us. Okay. Oh, that sound. That sound. Oh. Okay, there you go. My first ever air compressor noise in my car. Love it. And then what do we have next, Andy?
So
Got a cubby as well.
So we have a cubby atop a security box in the centre, and the security box has a set of sockets running off the auxiliary battery. So we have a 12-volt cigarette socket in the front and 2 lots of USB sockets here. You'll see they're slightly tucked under.
Oh yes.
So it's really good so that when you've got rear seat passengers, they're not going to catch their feet on the plug.
Can't quite see it, but it's over there.
Definitely there. And then we also have a winch which is switched by a large relay, again from the center console. So if you hit the winch button, you'll hear a big clunk.
Okay, I'll try that.
Yeah. And that big clunk is the relay that's in the front, and that allows you to use the winch.
Okay.
So you get the winch controller. Take the cover off.
Okay.
A fully operating winch.
Awesome.
For security,
I love this.
it means you can turn it off in the cab
Yes.
so that nobody can play with it
Okay.
and potentially damage your car.
Okay. I've always wanted to have a winch, and this is my first ever winch, and it's thank you so much. And it's also remote controlled as well, but I need to get the remote for it.
It's fully wired for remote use.
Okay.
The remotes can be a bit finicky,
Okay.
so they can lose signal. So
Yes.
quite often, you've always got the wired remote with you, and that wire's long enough so that you can be sat in the driver's seat.
Yes.
You put the remote through the window,
Gotcha.
and you'll be able to use the winch
Gotcha.
whilst you're in the driver's seat.
Gotcha.
Whilst you're winching yourself out.
Awesome. Thank you. Hopefully I won't need it, but it's good to have it. And then on the other side, we've got a fridge as well.
Yeah. So we've got the fridge set up here.
Thank you.
We've put together a quick fridge platform which takes up the single seat position. This again comes off the auxiliary battery, and you can access it by opening it there.
Awesome.
You've got full access to your fridge. You can also swap the lid over so it's accessible from the other side if that's easier. You've always got cold water.
Good. And what's over there?
So over here,
Yes.
that's the Anderson socket for the fridge.
Okay.
So you'll have a lead that connects your fridge into the Anderson socket,
Gotcha.
so you can remove it when you don't need it.
Gotcha.
And that's it really for the back.
Okay. Thank you.
So not forgetting, you've got solar panels on the roof,
Yes.
which again, because we've built a full roof wiring loom,
Okay.
it's got plugs, and it has plugs at each point at which it connects to something on the car.
Okay.
So it's a single loom which connects the solar panel, the lights,
Okay.
and also on this side we have another Anderson socket, and this is a 12-volt takeoff,
Okay.
so that you can run any 12-volt items, be it in the tent or if you're outside having a shower, you can run it all off this, and that runs off again the auxiliary battery.
Okay. That's incredible. And do you want to talk us through what you did with this, running the light?
Yeah, so the roof rack has its entire own wiring loom,
Okay.
but for a nice neat install, and because there's quite a lot of wires in here,
Yes.
we actually run this through the raised air intake.
Okay.
So if you look from this side of OC, the wiring goes into the top of the raised air intake, then runs down the raised air intake and into the car under, sort of through the side panel, through the air intake box, and that's waterproofed with a waterproof gland, so that you're not losing any of your weight in depth, even though we've used that route to get the wiring down from the roof.
Gotcha. My God. I mean, what do you think of the build? Are you happy with it? I feel like
Well, we did a 2-week build in 1 week.
you did. I said you did.
I did, yeah. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No.
Sorry.
It was a tough time schedule, but we got it done. Really happy with how it's come out. It's probably the most solid Defender I've ever worked on. It's an absolutely fantastic vehicle, and we've now put in an electrical system for what we would call a 10-year build, which is, it's installed properly. Our motto is it's built right, it's built bare tough. Which means that we install it properly. There's a lot of labour, there's a lot of time that goes into something like this, but this way it means that this should do you for the next 10 years without issue.
Gotcha.
It's all fused. There's all the fusing and everything's under the passenger seat. So each circuit is fused. So if there is ever any issues, then you know where to look for the circuit fuse. But also means that it's all protected.
Awesome. Thank you so very much, Andy. I can't wait to get in and start putting the light on and sort of show off my my amber lights on the motorway.
I think it's safe to say that you've got so many lights here that you're not so much illuminating people. You could X-ray them.
I'll try to not X-ray them, but it's good to know I've got the facilities to do that.
I think you probably have. There's a lot of light there.
Yeah, I went a bit too hard on the light, but I thought, I'll spoil myself.
You can never have enough light.
No. Thank you. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for joining. When I get some later, I'll do a full, thorough walk around. But for now, this is incredible. And a huge thank you to Andy. I'm lost for words. I can't even explain how happy I am, to have the cubby box. It looks so good there. And for the seats, I've got black seat covers, canvas ones, which I think will be very helpful for when we're in Morocco, because it's going to be so hot, and these Vinley seats don't do well in heat. So I've got a black one to match the seats, and just that thing over there, the center console light switch thing. It just looks so good. I'm really pleased with it. I'm really pleased. I couldn't have asked for anything better. It surpassed all of my expectations. It really is well built and built to last, and I'm really pleased. So thanks for following. Do subscribe. There'll be more coming through later. Take care. Bye.